Triple D Takeout, hanging out at the Fieri house here in Northern California, out of New York City, the one and only Chef Roberto.
How are you?
So he has Don Antonio's, okay?
Yeah.
Well, I've met Don Antonio when I went to Naples, so that's where the Neapolitan pizza comes over to the United States, and where our Chef Roberto partners up for Don Antonio's. But now he's got another place, KESTE. It's a pizza school, and he teaches you how to make Neapolitan-style pizza.
And we start ship all over the country. The pizza go. You can call us and we can ship overnight the pizza to you.
I love it. I hope you sent me something exciting. Hunter? Smoked mozzarella. Nice. We have truffle and burrata, prosciutto, porchetta.
This is a 10-topping pizza.
Evidently it is.
Oh, there's a surprise in here.
That is something for a guy.
I'm gonna just tell you right now, if it's what I think it is, and it's... Thanks for tuning in, folks. Show's over.
Oh, my gosh.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Wow.
Nice.
You tell me that's not doing it for you right there.
That's amazing.
Cheater.
Yeah, cheater is exactly right. Okay, Chef, what are we making with the 90,000 ingredients that you sent us?
Pizza with burrata. You take the dough.
That's got a little whole wheat in it.
Yeah, do you remember I told you? Be gentle the way you touch your wife.
Tell me what we're putting on it.
You cover all pizza on basil.
All the pizza is in basil.
More.
We're trying to put as more as we can, Chef.
Now put the cherry tomato on top.
Is the porchetta going on this, Chef?
No, on the next pizza.
On the next pizza?
Yes.
How many pizzas are we making?
This was a one dish.
Yes, and now you pick up the burrata.
With all the truffle in it that you
All
make.
the truffle inside, yes.
Black or white truffles?
They are black and white truffle together.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
It smells fantastic. Okay, in the oven.
90 seconds.
Ryder, follow me. 90 seconds at about 800 degrees.
Yes.
All right. How's that look, Chef?
Very good.
Cut it first.
And after, put on top of the prosciutto.
I love prosciutto.
It's a 30 months old prosciutto.
Oh,
Just give me a piece.
There you go. What is that? It's so delicious.
You got some prosciutto on your chin there, guy.
Right?
It's for later.
That's my goatee. Now can we finally eat it?
Yes.
So just as I was saying with Momochos or with Rinos, when you get these simple ingredients that you treat the right way, you just don't overdo it. A good amount of basil, protecting the dough from the tomatoes, hitting on that fresh burrata with the truffle, and then when it's all done, you go ahead and just lay on some of that beautiful aged prosciutto. I gotta tell you, Chef, one of the more simple pizzas, I think people would see, they'd go, come on, burrata and prosciutto, is it that big of a deal? Really, we're gonna make all this noise about it? I will tell you what, it's all this noise and then some. Delicious.
Thank you.